A warm welcome to everyone. We are Kiran Karthik, Subham and Bhairavi from class 10th. We have started thinking about both urban and rural development and created this Maglev project model for sustainable future use.
Start. We have used some of the magnets on the track and at the bottom of the train as causing repulsive force. The height between some of the magnets on the track and the train's magnet is 5 mm, and this helps in the floating of the train without touching the track, and also helps in the smooth movement of the train. A maglev train is a high-speed train which eliminates the friction on the wheels, and helps in increasing the quite smooth movement without touching the track. And it also uses the permanent magnets to float above its highway. And if you think about the aviation, then it helps in the magnets on the track, and the magnets on the bottom of the train helps him to lift off so few centimeters away from the track. This causes repulsive force. And if you think about the propulsion, then the train coils around the magnet helps in creating a magnetic wave, which also works as same as the electric motor works. And if you think about the guidance, then the magnet beside the train helps in the train to become stable and centered in on the track. If you think about the key features of it, then first is the speed, and second is efficiency, third is no wheels, and fourth is frictionless track, frictionless wheels. Thank you.
Well, after watching the urban development, we have to focus in the rural development as well. So we get to know that more than 80% of the total population of India is dependent upon the agricultural activities. Agricultural activities are those primary activities which are mostly done in the rural areas, and most of the rural people are directly dependent upon the agriculture. So in order to develop those rural people and rural areas, we have to work in the development of the rural areas and agricultural activities, agricultural development, agricultural management, etc. So we have to try more innovative ideas so that we have prospered in the agricultural field. So this is the project model we have made, which gives more innovative ideas about how can we improve our agricultural skills and agricultural management skills. So first of all, we have made a moving sparrow. It helps the farmer so that no birds can enter into the field and damage it. Then after, we have made a rainwater harvester system which harvests the water and plays a main role in the irrigation of these fields. Then after, we have made a solar panel through which the lights are working, and by the help of these lights, the farmers are able to come and put an eye upon their agricultural field at night also. Then after, we have made a greenhouse project including the existing fan which controls the temperature inside the greenhouse. Then after, we have made a project that detects the rain before 24 hours. It was first introduced in Australia. It have water sensors which absorb the humidity of the atmosphere. Then after, it gives sirens whenever the A is formed. Then after, we have made a storehouse for the storage of harvested items. So it is a good example of disaster management as well. Whenever the food is stored in it and the flood-like situation takes place, then it adjusts its height according to the water level and float above the water, so that the grains inside it will be protected. Then after, we have made a animal husbandry chamber. The waste which was produced, these are our innovative ideas which can be apply in our daily life to prosper in agricultural field also. Thank you.